Today on Crypto Fox, we'll be looking at the analysis of Dogecoin's price pattern. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. The price action of Dogecoin has taken on some different shapes and forms over the course of this year. We've had some good times and some bad times with bearish channels as Dogecoin endured a torrid time over the past 2 months. When you see all that red candlestick indicating a market crash, your heart is bound to get broken. Nonetheless, good or bad, candlestick charts are favored by crypto traders due to their visual appeal and simple-to-understand nature. It makes up a particular chart pattern and says a lot about the prospects of any cryptocurrency. The only kind of formations that people want to see are bullish ones. You want to see all the green rectangular-shaped candles and long lines called wicks formed up to show that your favorite crypto is on the rise. The chart gives us a clue about the current trend of Dogecoin. The red arrow indicates the potential of the price action on the uptrend based on people's trading decisions. The pattern leaves an open space that could go either way, but the most expected move is the continued upsurge of the Doge price. Analysts have suggested that this pattern often triggers a reversal in trend, and it indicates that buyers have entered the market and are likely to drive prices up further. So if what they're saying is viable, it means we can expect a slight correction to allow more buyers to benefit from the dip. We're hoping the market doesn't get engulfed by another round of selling pressure, as this could happen when the price closes lower than 25 cents. However, if the price continues to stay above the mark and close for 2 consecutive days, we can look forward to seeing what is called a gap in a crypto's price pattern. Candles opening significantly higher or lower than the previous one, also known as gaps, are rarely seen in crypto markets because there are no breaks in a 24/7 market. It's important to note that context and placement matter with every pattern. This is not valid in an uptrend and is in fact a bearish pattern in that context. It could precede a short correction before an uptrend. According to one analyst, the appearance of the 3 white soldiers pattern could be good for the bullish trend of Dogecoin. It is a very strong bullish signal that occurs after a downtrend and shows a steady advance of buying pressure. In general, when a candle is closing with little or no shadows, it suggests that the bulls have managed to keep the price at the top of the range for the session. The 3 white soldiers appear when buyers take over the rally through all the sessions and close near the high of the day for 3 consecutive candles. The right move would indicate that the bulls have taken control and are interested in buying at the present price. On the hourly chart, Doge is located in the sideways trend between the zone of the most liquidity at 32 cents and the resistance at 33.6 cents. The trading volume is going down, which means that the coin has not yet accumulated enough energy for a price blast. On the bigger time frame, buyers are showing power after the decline to 28 cents. If they can see the price above 33 cents, there is a high probability of seeing continued growth to the resistance level at 36 cents over the course of the week. On the weekly chart, bulls have absorbed the decline and are looking to close the candle near the resistance at 36 cents. If such a scenario comes true, one may expect a rise to the next crucial mark at around 44 cents. The rising trading volume confirms a possible price rise. According to FX Street, Dogecoin price had a solid run higher after buyers stepped in and lifted price action to form a green ascending trend line and mark the 200-day simple moving average as support. Buyers were more than glad to step in with these factors as motivation to run prices higher. This action took place between August 5th and August 7th. The rally showed signs of healthiness with some pauses along the way, but no significant corrections. Buyers who wanted to add to the rally had to wait until August 18th for an opportunity to step in. The green ascending trend line got tested to the tick, and the candle formation shows that buyers overtook any short positions from sellers trying to run prices further down. The price action today is showing a quick consolidation, with both highs and lows getting squeezed in. It's expected that buyers who stepped in at 25 cents will be in no mood to book profit already and close their longs. A new test of 35 cents will be the primary objective, so expect buyers not to step away quickly from this trade. Dogecoin is ready for a breakout either way, seeing the positioning and the argument that buyers have had their chance of re-entering or adding to their long positions. Expect a breakout to the upside with a retest of that 35 cents marker. This would make for a triple top ceiling. Sellers will probably be pushed out of their positions, stops will be run, and this might get Doge to 38 cents. If the green ascending trend line doesn't hold, expect the double move from both the 50-day and 200-day SMA to provide some support. According to analysis by CoinGape, ever since Doge price broke above 25 cents, it's been holding a bottom trend line. The trend line is nearly 3 weeks old, and price has yet to break below. This trend has also formed the bottom part of the bull pennant, which is shown in light blue. Doge is nearing the peak of this triangle, and a breakout will soon occur. If bulls manage to break to the upside, they must also break and hold the major resistance mark of 32.7 to 33.8 cents. If this is deemed successful, Doge has a free sky for a push to 50 cents and above. Most of the time a bull pennant forms, it has an 80% accuracy rate of breaking to the upside. In the case that bulls fail to break to the upside and break below the bottom of the pennant, we should expect a drop to 26 cents to occur. Before this can happen, bears must push Doge price below the 70 MA, which has held price up ever since the start of August. If price breaks below the midterm trend line along with this MA, a downtrend is likely to occur. Support will be found at 29.6, 28.1, and 26.5 cents. While looking at the stochastic RSI, we can see it has been swinging right around the middle value of 50. This shows a breakout is soon to occur as bulls and bears are fighting for strength. The regular RSI also confirms this view as a pennant formation as shown over the past couple of weeks. Once strength breaks to either side, the price will be right along with it. The doors are open for an interesting run of Dogecoin to a new high, and all hands should be on deck to see Dogecoin test the resistances that would be placed in its path. It remains the question of how many more holders will be joining the community, as well as how many will opt to sell. The idea is to hold out on panic sells that will undermine the potential of Dogecoin to go on an uptrend. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hollywood car set.